Have you ever watched the movie Limitless? When the hero of the movie is just a loser until he take a pill, turning him smarter than everyone. He suddenly knows everything and became so rich and so successful. What if I told you that that state of mind truly exists and you can have it as well? You definitely don't need a pill for it. Don't trust anyone trying to sell you any bullshit. What you need is to watch this video until the end and you will know how to access all of your brain capability to cover all the years that passed unproductive and do great things in a short period of time. Like the video, let's get started. First thing I want you to do is have a cup of coffee. Caffeine enhances the transaction between neurons while it gives you a shot of dopamine and that improve your brain thinking and give you energy. If a task will take you an hour without a coffee, with it, that task will take only 20 or 30 minutes. Coffee literally double your brain capability by releasing dopamine, helps remove the bad move and negative thing, which is what the next phase is about. Liberate your brain from useless thinking. Let's talk about what's going on in your brain like chaos, right? Your brain is busy thinking or doing lots of stuff at once. Usually, it's a useless thoughts, like thinking about sex and what other will say about you. You keep worrying about your financial situation. The food in your stomach also occupy your brain. You get the point. There is a lot going on in your head that prevents you from using even 10% of your brain capability. That needs to stop. Start cleaning your thoughts now. If it's not helping you in your progress or stress you out, it's probably a bad thought. Remove it. Take a deep breath and taste the coffee and recapture your head from the bullshit. That is the first step for you to become smart. And now, in order to reach the maximum capability of your brain, you need to use it to do something little hard for a long period of time. As much as you are focused on the task and don't think about any other thing, you will have access to more and more of your brain cells. And while that's happening, a lot of dopamine will get produced in your brain. After the first 20 minutes of focus, because you just destroyed the struggle phase, boost that dopamine. Remember that coffee? Keep it by your side. That will smoother your thinking, and the task that you are doing, will, no matter how hard it is, it will feel so easy and you are just playing a video game. That state of mind is your brain maximum performance. You need to improve that maximum performance by improving three major elements: focus, memory, and intelligence. To enhance your focus, which is the most important, you need to stop scrolling through social media because that destroys your attention span and give you a popcorn brain. Consume long content. Try to watch a full 2 hour valuable podcast or read a book all the way through, even if it will bore. Engage in tasks for a long period of time. And for the memory, force yourself to remember stuff. Try to remember all the words from your last conversation. That might seem hard at the beginning, but time after time, you will get better and you will develop a sharp memory that will have more information for intelligence to access quick. If you manage to improve your focus and memory, your intelligence will be improved automatically. But train your intelligence as well by doing complicated things like learning a high income skill like coding or social media management. The more complicated the situation you put your brain in, the smarter you will be. Exactly like training a muscle in the gym, which is an activity you should also be disciplined with. Best way to train your brain is through learning skill and go deep in. Be specialized in it, not just a newbie that didn't go deeper than the obvious surface. Half a day or a full day fasting while you work is very helpful. That will liberate large of parts of your brain that are busy digesting food. And when you eat healthy food, away from any garbage that look like food. And after you finish some tasks, as a reward to your brain, so tomorrow you will be more performing to your tasks. It's like telling your brain, no food until you do something good. And it worked. Another crucial element that must be in your brain is God. Believing in God and praying to Him liberates a huge part of your brain, trying to figure out the reason of His existence. A lot of the bullshit around these days is trying so hard to remove God from your thinking, just to get alone with you and think you with nonsense that only will harm your brain and prevent you from doing meaningful things. So, to summarize, have a cup of coffee, liberate your brain, get deep into something, improve your focus, memory, train your brain like a muscle every day. Don't eat before working on something. Have God in your heart, and you will get the access to all your 100% brain capability forever. That was the video. Please subscribe if you found this valuable. Peace.